Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a very awesome software that will get you free traffic. What is this product? This product is called 60-second traffic. As you can see, just your name, you will get traffic. This is also completely free. How? Just 60 seconds and you will get the traffic completely free. And this I think this is all this is also a very powerful software when you don't have to pay anything, just grab it just for one-time payment, no monthly, and you will get daily traffic up to that, and you can see that you can have up to that as many as about 150 free traffic and whatever you want. This is also a very powerful way. So let's go to that. Let's go to that in the sales page. And also and you can see in the sales page when you how does it work. When you exit, when you don't also exit, want to exit, and then you will have the pop up there, and then you will have the $4 discount. This don't tell anyone because you have after that you want to exit, they have the pop up, you will have $4 discount. Also this is also about 60 seconds. Plan and pending app send you up to 115 free list and buyer to any link in 60 seconds pop over and over again. Who else want 100 of free daily clicks on autopilot? That is very powerful. You can grab it. This also during this launch, and you can, if you are interested in free traffic, you have a daily at least about 115 click anything you want. You can build your email list. You can send to the affiliate offer and you want to make commission, and you can also to send this to your own blog or website. This is also a very powerful. Or you can send it to your any social media platform in order to grow your follower in this social media platform. Anything you want to, this is also up to you. But this is also, and if you are interested in this powerful 60-second traffic, please stay with me. I also have small exclusive bonus in order to help you to drive more traffic other than this app. Please stay with me. Bonus number 1, you will get $100 $100 using free Facebook traffic. Bonus number 2, you will get 2 super newbie traffic hack, and you can how you can this completely traffic hack and drive more and visitor to whatever you want. Bonus number 3, you will get free no cost traffic app you can get started with today. Is also completely free traffic. Bonus number 4, you will get 7 top SMM marketing tips. When you have an app, most of the you have this is also thing. Most the marketing is move on a mobile. Why you don't best use of this SMM marketing? Bonus number 5, you will get access. You will instant access to 50,000 visitor to deliver to any website you want. You can. This is also a powerful way. It's free of charge. Bonus number 6, you will get a course 7 days to Instagram success. Instagram is owned by Facebook. They have tons of buyer inside on this platform. So this is how if you have a more Instagram follower, this is also you can have much more buyer traffic on your Facebook or your Instagram account. Bonus number 7, you will get another bless your app to 30,000 per month. This is also a completely free. This is also another way to get more traffic. Bonus number 8, you will get a free report. You will learn how to explore your traffic through viral social sharing strategy. This is also similar to this platform, but it also to focus on just for Facebook. But this is also this free report will help you to viral social sharing on different platforms other than Facebook. And also you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the wallpapers automatically. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, press this blue button and go through the sales page, and you pick up this just for fun, and you will get my exclusive bonus. So please stay with me. Let's jump to the members area of 60-second traffic. Okay, in the back office of 60-second traffic, first of all, and you should watch this video before you tap into this software. And this is also a very pretty and easy for you to use it. First of all, you should this also click this link. You will join at least 3 our approved Facebook free ad groups. If you doesn't want to, first of all you should join the Facebook group. Okay, and you can see this is also a favorite share group, and you must join at least 3 and up to 10 free ad groups on Facebook or below to do so. And you can just simply to click any Facebook group you want to join, and some of them maybe you have to get approval. After if you don't disapprove, you can move to the next Facebook, because you can see a list of the Facebook you allow you to post their ad on their Facebook group, and you can see this is a list of the Facebook group, and you can see a tons of the Facebook group you can join. So if any one of them Facebook group disallow for your approval, then just move another one. This is also many Facebook group you can join, and you can join at least 3 and up to 10. So and then the next step is go to edit your profile. And you scroll down to the bottom of the page, account setting. When you press this account setting, and you will have this page, you will change you will also to upload your profile photo. This also you upload a profile photo. This also have eye catching. Is anything you want, you can for your own photo or any logo. This also to eye catching. Other than that, after you join Facebook, upload your photo, and then this also after that the step 1, share this ad. You can see this video and copy this, and also you can share within the Facebook group. Other than that, and then the final step is second step, post your own ads. Is also you can and your text and your link is also up to 110 category, and also you can start with HTTP and also the www and Google www and your domain.com etc. This also, and you can other than that you can also to select your category, and you can see this also many category. If you employment, online business, health and fitness, home, game, tunes and hobbies, clothing, jewelry, collectible, real estate, estimate, service, sport, and I think this also if you make money online, you can select the online business, and also you can tap into the employment, and other than that, health and fitness is also a very popular niche you can tap into. And game is also a more popular. Gamer, jewelry is also a real estate is also a very hot demand niche. I think this is also a hot demand, and you can make much more money. After than that, you can also to post, and also they have a regular post. There's also a regular post feature is and super feature. There's also a regular post as just for purchase the front end. You can have the regular post, but if you want to have a feature, it also and have different and free ad will post on their blog. But if you want to have a feature, this is also you more ad will be slow down, have more. But the feature is your ad will stay at the top of the blog. And super feature is also the upgrade number 1. Upgrade is also super feature. I think this is also the upgrade number 3. This also have a banner ad at the sidebar. Have the banner ad, and then you can have more eye catching and always have a more possibility. People that will click on your ad. This is also to increase your click-through rate and also to increase your sales conversion. If you promote any affiliate product, that's it. This is also that's all. This is also a very easy for you to understand. So let's take a look at what are their price and upsell as well. Please stay with me. Okay, at this moment, when I recorded, I found this is also just for under $20. This is you can have free traffic about daily 115. This is no brainer. You don't have to pay anything. You can drive traffic anywhere you want. So I highly recommend you to pick up this software as soon as possible during the launch week. And the launch week will end on Tuesday, April 8. And the upsell number one this is also like 500 daily kicks machine. This $47, $27 downsell. There's also you can there's also there's also the feature. You will have the 15 extra on your pay daily. But OTO1 is also unlimited free wide extra for users. This is why I highly recommend you should read upsell number one. Upsell number two free traffic auto bot $67, $37. And also I recommend that because you will have double your traffic and exposure on completely autopilot. This is also the feature. This is also the upsell number two, the feature as I mentioned in the members area. This is also always on the top of the bot. Upsell number three, 700S generator, $67, $37 downsell. This also I highly recommend because you will have the super feature that is also that you can have your banner ad and then it's also that you can expect more 100 and even more and thousand additional free traffic on complete autopilot. So in my opinion, I highly recommend that you can upsell number one unlimited. Upsell number two you will get feature always at the top of the ad. Upsell number three and upsell number three and you will get super feature. There's also a banner and you will get more exposure and more kicks. So I highly recommend you should grab upsell number 1, 2 and 3. Upsell number 4 is the 103 day which is that you don't have $97, $47. They also have the and you have a total 7 back end offices. All of them has a high ticket webinar. They also will pay included the one high ticket webinar offer that they will pay you 100,000 a pop. If you want to make more money from this software, you should pick up upsell number 4. Upsell number 5, 6-figure exclusive club 197 downsell $97. They also have about 6 additional monthly income stream. They also have a similar to this platform. You can make 100%. You have also have this 6 different platform. You can have more income stream. If you want to make more money, then you can grab the upsell number 5. But in my opinion, in order to make the best use of this software, I highly recommend you can grab upsell number 1 unlimited, upsell number 2 feature, and upsell number 3 super feature for your best use of this software. So let's recap of what my and also included the demo video inside my bonus pay. And also recap of what my exclusive bonus for you if you grab 60-second traffic. Bonus number 1, you will $100 a day using Facebook traffic. Bonus number 2, two super newbie traffic hacks. Bonus number 3, you will get no cost traffic app you can get started with today. Bonus number 4, you will get my 7 top SMA marketing tips. Bonus number 5, you will get my 50,000 visitors delivered to any website. Bonus number 6, you will get my course 7 days to Instagram as assistant. Bonus number 7, you will blast your ad to 30,000 per month completely free. It's also another way you can get more free traffic. Bonus number 8, you will get a free report. Learn how to explore your traffic through viral social sharing strategy. Other than the Facebook group, you can tap into other social media platforms. So that's all of my exclusive bonus that will help you to drive more free traffic. So don't forget you can get all my exclusive bonus that will be delivered to you inside the wallet before the countdown timer hits 0. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link you will come to my bonus page. When you go to my bonus page, press this any blue button, go through the front end, you will get my exclusive bonus in order to help you to drive more free traffic. Thanks for taking time to check out my 60-second traffic review and bonus. Don't forget to check my other playlists included multiple stream of income, make money online tips, and marketing tips are there. And don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie. I also included 2 training courses, 2 additional training, 1 free report, and 5 exclusive websites to help you to make more money online. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie. See you.